For those of you that know me, I've been a proponent of Jesse Luggage since the early days. Al Jesse, the original founder, is a personal friend of mine. And honestly, he was the first person in the motorcycle industry that believed in me and the fact that Rawhide had a future. And so for loyalty, if no other reason, I love Jesse Luggage. But to be honest, I have been using Jesse Luggage exclusively for a lot of years for some real good reasons. It is the most robust luggage in the market. There's some other stuff that's out there. It's elegant and it's beautiful, but when you drop your bike and it's fully loaded, these cases don't bend up very much. So this stuff is the bomb. I mean, there's two sorts of luggage in the world. You've got soft luggage and you've got hard luggage. And I like to travel, and I don't like to go to a restaurant and leave my bike unattended without being able to lock up my saddlebags. And I've always felt like soft luggage, and while there's some wonderful stuff out there, anybody with a razor knife can own whatever you have in there. And that's, for me, the reason that I stick with hard luggage. So a lot of people ask that question. There's lots of dialogue. Hard luggage, soft luggage. Depends on what you're really gonna do and what you want. So that's my 2 cents worth.